Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Wilbert.
And I'm Donna. Thank you for joining us today. We are very happy to have you here.
Today, we have a very useful topic. We will talk about studying English every day.
Yes, many people want to improve their English, but sometimes they do not know how to study every day.
That's right. Some people study English for one day. Then they stop for several days. Then they start again.
Yes, I think many of our listeners know that feeling.
Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we will share simple and easy ways to study English every day.
And we will use slow and clear English so you can listen, learn, and practice with us.
Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
Every week, we create new English learning content for beginners.
Thank you very much for your support. Now, let's get started.
Speaker 2. Do you study English every day?
Yes, I do. I try to study English every day.
Really? How much time do you spend studying?
Not a lot. Sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes.
That's interesting. Many people think they need to study for hours every day.
No, you don't need to study for 3 or 4 hours. A little practice every day is often better.
Let's repeat that important sentence.
Okay, a little practice every day is better than a lot of practice one time.
Again, slowly.
A little practice every day is better than a lot of practice one time.
Great job. Listeners, please repeat after us. A little practice every day is better than a lot of practice one time.
Excellent.
Why is daily practice important?
Because learning English is like exercising.
How is it similar?
Well, imagine you go to the gym only one day every month.
That probably won't help very much.
Exactly. But if you exercise a little every day, your body becomes stronger.
And English works the same way.
Yes, if you practice English every day, your English becomes stronger little by little.
I like that example.
Me too.
Let's talk about listening. Many learners want to improve their listening skills.
Listening is very important. The more you listen, the more familiar English sounds become.
Some learners say, I can read English, but I cannot understand native speakers.
That is very common. The solution is simple. Listen more often.
You can listen while walking.
You can listen while cooking.
You can listen while cleaning your room.
You can listen while driving.
You can even listen before going to sleep.
There are many opportunities to practice listening.
Let's practice a useful sentence.
Okay, I listen to English every day.
Again.
I listen to English every day.
One more time.
I listen to English every day.
Wonderful.
Now let's talk about reading.
Reading is another excellent way to improve English.
Do you enjoy reading English books?
Yes, but I prefer easy books.
Yes, me too. Sometimes learners choose books that are too difficult.
Then they feel frustrated.
Exactly. Choose something simple and enjoyable.
Maybe a children's book.
Maybe a short story.
Maybe an easy English article.
The goal is to understand and enjoy reading, not to feel stressed.
That's right.
That's right.
What about vocabulary?
Vocabulary is important, but don't try to learn 100 new words in one day.
That sounds very difficult.
And it's easy to forget.
So what should learners do?
Learn a few new words every day.
Maybe 3 words.
Maybe 5 words.
Maybe 10 words.
Small steps every day.
Let's repeat that. Small steps every day.
Small steps every day.
Again, small steps every day.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about speaking.
Many learners are nervous when speaking English
Why do you think that happens?
because they are afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
Exactly. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native English speakers make mistakes.
The important thing is to keep speaking.
Don't wait until your English is perfect.
Let's repeat an important phrase.
Just start speaking.
Again,
Just start speaking.
one more time.
Just start speaking.
Excellent.
Listeners, do you speak English every day?
Think about your answer.
If the answer is no, that's okay.
Today is a great day to start.
You can speak with a friend.
You can speak with a teacher.
You can even speak to yourself.
That sounds funny.
Maybe a little, but it really helps.
Can you give us an example?
Of course. You can say, I am making breakfast.
I am drinking coffee.
I am going to work.
Those are simple sentences.
And they are very useful.
What if someone says, I don't have enough time?
Start with 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes is much better than 0 minutes.
That's true.
Let's make a simple 5-minute study plan.
Great idea.
Minute 1. Learn one new word.
Minute 2. Read one short paragraph.
Minute 3. Listen to English.
Minute 4. Speak one sentence.
Minute 5. Review everything.
That sounds very easy.
Because learning English does not need to be complicated.
I like that.
Me too.
Let's review some important phrases from today's conversation.
Great idea.
Phrase number 1. I listen to English every day.
I listen to English every day.
Phrase number 2. Small steps every day.
Small steps every day.
Phrase number 3. Just start speaking.
Just start speaking.
Phrase number 4. Little by little.
Little by little.
Phrase number 5. My English is improving every day.
My English is improving every day.
Excellent work, everyone.
Remember, you do not need perfect English.
You only need regular practice.
A little every day.
Step by step.
Day by day.
You can do it.
Yes, you can.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helps you improve your English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more English learning content.
Before we go, we have one question for you.
Tell us in the comments, how do you study English every day?
Do you listen to podcasts?
Do you read books?
Do you practice speaking?
We would love to hear from you.
Take care, everyone.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep smiling.
Goodbye.
See you in the next lesson.